wiretap me, backstab me, break the faith, fall from race, tell me lies, time flies, close your eyes, come with me. Come with me. Yeah. Come with me. Yeah. You said to trust you, you never hurt me. Now I'm disgusted, sustained adjusted. Certainly you fooled me, ridiculed me, left me hanging. Now shit's boomeranging, right back at ya. Big long range, narrow-minded, left me blinded. I co-signed it, shit backfired, but I'm bouncing back. I grind it, now many would bear the pressure. You comprehend me, you want to end me.